Because
Actually,
the only thing I could do is
let
like
me
a refreshing taste of
let,
coconut.
let me make
That's
sure
fine,
I'm. Yeah, let me make sure
your
I'm
echo is
recording.
kinda nasty.
Let me make sure I'm recording.
Should we just Ryan Zarya? We're gonna run Ryan.
All right, I'm good.
Ranzari, it's fine.
Especially no one else is gonna use your double shields.
We don't really have much to take advantage of that grab though.
Me.
Like,
Oh, you just sticky bomb it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got one.
Or the window graph. Can you give keep an orb on me?
Oh, let's get it, boys.
They're not holding the regular spot. Where are they? They're holding top right with a
Top
tor.
right, top right. That's fine.
What you doing?
Turb one, turb one.
Let's overtake him. Let's overtake him.
Yeah,
Get
just
down
double-
and healer.
double-
They can
double
go
down.
back and res.
oh, wait,
Tracer behind.
You can't res there.
Beginning objective capture.
Quickly behind.
Oh, I'm getting back. I need help.
I'm gonna help you
I'm
on
gonna
that.
die.
Just one down.
We have no heal.
Give us a tick.
Take point.
Oh, we can kill Mercy.
Mercy, mercy, mercy.
I know we don't have healers, but I need someone you here. Thank you.
Healers are coming back right now.
Okay, I'm running.
Complete. Switching back to combat.
Monkey's
I have nothing
escorted.
for you. Monka, bro. Oh, monkey, balls on me.
Yeah.
You got Blacksmith?
All discorded.
One,
One.
one.
Monkey's no jump behind us.
Monkey's on
Kill
us.
him. Kill monkey. Kill monkey.
First are behind on our widow.
Just on our widow behind. Window re.
Liana.
One.
Discord mercy.
Mercy
Discord
one, Mercy one.
Focus my target.
Ball. Discorded.
Don't make me solo ult you, ball. I will.
Yeah, right off the bat, you kind of tell this team doesn't have much experience on this map.
Objective A captured.
Yeah, I'm playing dive, dude.
Holding a bit weird as well.
Yeah, I'll take. You guys want to take high ground so they can't use it? I'll move card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have duplicate.
Making space.
Okay, copy their monkey. They hit primal too. They're on Ash off widow.
They probably have Hammond mines as well. Hammond at all.
Oh, they switched off.
No,
Both.
they
The
switched
Tracer's
to
still
widow.
lit. Yeah, but they switched both DPS. They lost their pulse bomb.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab this, honestly.
Yeah,
Like
they
I
have
can't-
Valkyrie.
Oh, no,
Valkyrie.
no, no.
Tracer
primal.
bottom left on me.
Paris on me.
Okay.
I get dropped. Yeah, I'll
Yeah, come to
drop.
card. Come to card. Burn monkeys escorted. He's really low.
One.
Got you.
Switching back
All on
to
point. I
combat
need to.
mode.
Okay, card, we're okay. All discorded.
Yeah, it was just you. We were
Clear
playing
widow
push by
top. Clear
monk.
widow top.
Locking
Balls
on.
monk, but it's
Grab it.
okay.
Moving up.
You're alone. Go for it though if you want.
All left side. One left.
Now wait.
We will.
Escorted.
Yes.
But it is top. Okay. No grapple and back. Heading back bottom. Let's look for a grab.
On a heals, on a heals above.
Punch it blind.
Can you give me an orb?
Peek me.
I have shatter.
Let's go for Ryan. They're gonna Valkyrie.
So well.
Yeah, everyone's got a shield.
Low, low, low.
They're Tracer on the side.
Broke a lot of them.
Tracer one.
They're all
Marie.
broken.
Tracer's low. Okay.
Ryan. No. Go Ryan.
Got him.
Mercy.
Mercy half. Mercy dead. Or not yet. Oh, she should be.
Dude, this is gonna be
Fine
terrible.
grab,
This is gonna be
jump in there.
terrible.
Widow on our left.
This is gonna be terrible for the VOD review. I'm dead half the time.
Can we push our spawn? Can we push up? Kill the Zarya.
I could just get the in-game code, and then we could give that
I
thing.
got it. Just push up.
No, but
push
we
up,
need it
push
with
up,
the
push up,
comms,
push,
that's
push,
why.
Push. Take space. I got this.
Alright.
They switched their comp. Entirely. They have Valkyrie only.
They kept DPS. They might have pulse.
Pulse is okay. I was pressing tab. It's all good though.
Good man.
Pulse bomb is like 75. Kill them pretty early. They have no bubbles right now. Just look for a copy shot.
Adaptive circuits engaged.
Good nano too.
Punch it behind.
Still winnable. Still winnable.
Well,
Yeah, let's go. Fight this.
Tracer behind on me.
Got Ryan. Widow's up top. I'll try to shield you.
got it.
Nice.
Oh,
Sniped.
One low, one low.
Dude,
keep
Zen, you
going.
were so close to dying.
We're We're good. We have Shatter. Let's look for Shatter.
This is little.
They have Pulse. They didn't Pulse, did they? Should
This
Pulse.
side's
Oh,
up?
they're on Doom now.
Good, good, good. Right side.
One's on one.
Widow's far right.
There's half.
Doom, no bubble. They have no partner.
Oh, fuck.
Killed him, killed him.
I thought I had healed. My bad.
Still win. If we keep Zarya, we still win
Nah,
this.
they're doing my ass.
What is one in the back?
Yeah. Ooh, Widow's right across from you, Mango, on the far side.
Run though. I can die.
I'm on for a shatter. I'm on for shatter.
We probably reset this.
On our Zarya?
Oh, maybe we can win. We can win.
Just line, just line.
They have tank ults. She's low.
Oh my god, he gets bubbled. Are you fucking
You got it.
Nice.
man? My shatter eats shit.
So,
Okay.
going.
What's up, Kaya?
Sorry, you carry for the win, bro.
Kaya, you're on camera right now.
Oh, yes.
Say hi.
Casting couch. On.
Okay.
Here,
Sigma, Sigma. Let's go. Or Ryan Sigma. It's up to you. Whichever one you feel comfortable playing.
okay. Oh.
I mean, the
Both
game
are more
looks
here,
good.
gonna be honest.
That guy.
All right, it's time for Torb.
Yeah, my stream crashed real bad, so.
So now I'm filling in, as I always do, but for VOD review.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Boomer.
Yo, actually, if one of you want to take DPS, Mingo can off tank, but
I could try it. Sure.
I kind of want to give it a try actually. If you guys are fine with that.
Fuck.
let's do it. All right, both.
Okay, wait. Do I need to walk all the way back, right? Just keep
Yeah.
that in time. For like a
You guys
minute.
will probably have to reset match.
No, you.
His locked rolls.
No, you don't. I don't think you have to.
Locked
Wait, oh, you do.
We should
Yeah,
be able to
locked
switch. Yeah, it's locked.
It's all right.
We could just
I mean,
play.
you can ask them to restart.
Very well.
No, don't ask.
I mean,
them
we
to
already
reset.
played attack.
We already played attack, so.
There you go.
That I will not give them the chance to beat us on Boys
Oh.
of World.
Now you can switch.
Yeah,
I can
now you
switch.
can switch.
Yeah.
Invite.
Not yet.
Good.
On pause. Okay, wait, man, don't pick a character yet. I'm gonna kill myself. This is scuff.
We do run Zarya. Whoever is main tanking.
Run,
Oh,
sorry.
it's too late now, man.
I mean, we got time.
Oh my god.
God damn it.
Wait, so they ended up using your preset, or they just use it as well?
No, they used the preset.
Yo, Fog.
Except we didn't know, so we're not in the right order. But we never really used that anyway.
Our player icon's called boobs.
True.
Oh yeah, we still have boobs for our player icon.
See, it's helpful for me because I can see who dies first in every fight.
Well, right now it's Bob's, bro, because, like, he left.
Right now it's at Slimy Spy dying in every
True.
fight.
Yeah, no, that is true. The VOD review is gonna be terrible because I'm dead half the time.
Yeah, that's right.
When your turret's alive more than you.
Kaya, I don't want to hear
Ready
it.
up.
R. Let's go.
It's like a seal.
R.
That's
Okay.
just not funny.
That was very
Okay,
comedic.
ready.
You know, I started.
They have little main.
Shut up.
Oh, they have a Ryan too?
They aren't pushing. Are they going top?
They're going
no, they're gonna-
main.
Genji.
Oh, Widow top, though. Widow top left. Oh,
What is this?
Oh, jump shot.
Holy shit.
Kill this Ryan.
Calculated.
Did I
Holy
kill you?
shit.
Oh, that killed
It's
you!
fair, it's fair. It's fair, it's fair.
Ah!
I'm gonna just counter.
Yeah, always kind of thing.
Okay, we're good.
Yo, Pog. Alright, what else do they have? What's they
Thing.
supposed to do?
Probably have to Ryan.
Ryan's like 30.
Probably pretty close to Ana. I know.
Yeah, you guys doing a lot of damage? Probably.
Not enough, actually.
Widow 25.
Where is
Monkey,
she?
Not that high.
A Widow main.
She's main still.
Yeah, just try and build shadow and use. I'll discard Ryan when we can.
Counter,
Counter, Ryan, discard, just Ryan.
counter.
I'm being dove.
Make it push him. Monkey.
To the left. Idiot.
Hey, Ryan, just push forward.
Genji's still on boats.
Push forward. Yeah, push it.
Go, go, go.
Run.
Turn on break. Where's Ryan?
Ooh, behind.
I got slept.
Oh my god, dude. I
I'm
killed
gonna
my
ult up.
Alright, fight's over. What do they got?
Yeah, we can still fight the Ryan. Let's go. Let's go.
They
Keep going.
definitely.
No.
They have nano. They have nano. We can
They
kill.
have
Kill
nano
one. We
blade.
kill one. We kill one. We kill one.
Kill him.
Go,
I'm
go,
on
go.
him.
We have Shatter. Go, 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 go.
Alright, fuck it.
Ryan, no.
And one.
Anna can die.
Nice, good.
Big low. Okay, they have Shatter. Nano.
I have Molten Core.
They don't have Blade quite yet. He's like 75, I would
Behind
say.
us. Yeah, she
Okay,
can.
they have sights. They have sights.
Where? Where's the Widow?
Take care. He's on the left. He's back left right now.
Back left, yeah.
I hear him. I don't see him.
She might try to
We
spine.
can push while the Widow's not here.
She's still
Yeah,
in
she
though.
is.
Just be charged. Shield. With my shield.
Can you push
Wait,
with
let me get it.
purple?
Let me get it with a hammer.
We're not even. We're kind of low here. He discorded half.
Blocked it.
Monkey still low. Ryan low. Discorded.
There's no molds.
Double kill.
Good dinner.
Monkey on me in the back. Need help.
Good job.
Ryan up in Mega. Ryan is
Widow
it.
dead? Widow's dead, okay.
Oh, what?
We only use Primal there. Should have Nano Blade.
They
Have
shattered.
Trans.
They shattered.
Slimy, what the fuck are you doing?
How about Ryan?
I'm
Be
taking
careful.
both the DPS on at once. That's what I'm doing.
It's okay.
Okay. They
Stop.
might
I'll be
rally.
putting sights up right after hers then, basically.
Oh, grab that. Oh, what we do, grab?
Get you one.
Push.
Oh, Widow?
Oh,
Right.
huge.
60 seconds.
Oh my god, Genji left
Oh,
side.
I'm slept. I'm coming back.
Get behind.
Okay, I'm coming back. I'm low.
Monkey one, no jumping.
It's just you. Or you and Torb. I'm only back.
Whoa, actually, I'm calling Lucio.
You might be able to recontest a second.
Yeah, we can.
Hey, touch. I'm on
Go
my way.
on. I can't touch.
Let's go. They're not even on point. I got touch.
30 seconds.
Go, Ryan. Okay, Widow here.
Wait,
No one can
fuck Lucio.
Lucio.
They're regrouping.
Okay, they're on Moira now. I think he switched it later though.
Big touch.
He's like 30% maybe. I don't think he's
no,
just switched. Yeah,
Right,
they're
what
close.
could your
They're close to
super
primal.
primal
They're
be?
close to primal again. Let's try and build a shredder and do that. Can we fight them early? Actually, can we just push them?
Yeah. 5 seconds though. Will they
Yeah,
touch?
Their monkey's gonna touch it.
Ryan charging.
Oh, okay.
Yo, big.
Yeah, my Widow getting put in scuff there. But
Oh, I tripped.
You did
what's
trip.
that? 5-1 on the night?
Yes.
5-1.
And you should have seen how dumb the first game was.
What? I thought
Yeah,
it was my fire. What the
I'll
fuck?
be honest. We kind of threw the first game.
Oh, I
Yeah.
was watching. I saw. The Lee Jong I see when you're talking about.
Yeah,
Огонь
Yep.
по готовности.
it's all good.
May, by the way.
Double kill.
Shut up.
Oh no, I did see that once you guys actually decided to run the May, you won the round.
Yes.
All I have to do is run the May forehead.
Yes, Kaya, we know.
Another one? I mean, if they're down, I'm down. but-
They already have someone left.
Yeah. No, bruh. Yo, I didn't know Mingo spoke Spanish.
Okay.
Alright, see you later.